Bitcoin is right now breaking exactly outside of the range right now here, and this is exactly giving us the confirmation of the next major breakout on Bitcoin. We're going to be talking, of course, about the CME gap, about what is happening currently on the imminent short term. This new coin Trump has officially launched and is worth over $7.7 billion in market cap already, and much more important stuff will be getting discussed on today's video, including the most important patterns and charts that are telling us something about what Bitcoin is currently doing next year and what it will likely do next in the upcoming period in the market. So without any further ado, don't forget to once again slap up that like button back above 1,000 likes. It will be highly appreciated. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. First of all, Bitcoin is creating another CME gap, this time around 104,000 US dollars. We are right now trading ever so slightly below it, but of course, like I have stated in many videos before, usually Bitcoin tends to be hovering around that CME close price till the end of the weekend, and then if we not instantly fill it up, we usually tend to fill it up only a couple days or potentially a couple hours later. So yeah, we're expecting that Bitcoin is either on the Sunday trading around this level or potentially on the Monday or Tuesday. So this is the expectation for the weekend. Bitcoin is likely going to be hovering around this price, and this is probably going to be doing something great for altcoins. And something which is also great for altcoins is that Trump has just launched his own official meme coin cryptocurrency. I said $7.7 billion, but the fully diluted is already 8.9 billion US dollars. The liquidity is over 300 million US dollars. And you can see that people are buying and just not selling. And it is just only going up and up and up. And it's already listed on P81 in total market cap. So yeah, pretty insane what he has just done here. He's very bullish on crypto. And honestly, this is just only going to be elevating the altcoin market probably even more in the upcoming period. And you have to understand that in exactly 2 days from now on, he will be going in office. So exactly on Monday, he will be going in office, and that will be, of course, probably mark the beginning of that next major rally higher. So I'm very excited for what is about to be happening there. But this is also exactly the timing where Trump got in office last time around here. Now he's also once again going into office, and last time around, whenever this happened, that is when the real exponential rally happened on Bitcoin. So I'm very excited to see what is going to be happening next year. Bitcoin, of course, on the lower time frames has broken this major downward sloping resistance line. After that, also broken above the horizontal support box. Now I think, yes, we have cleared most resistance levels right now. You can see those on the bigger perspective. We cleared this level right here as well. So if we are going to come down towards this range, we're most likely going to be retesting this exact level into support right now. Then on the daily time frame, we can see, of course, we have also confirmed the breakout of the symmetrical triangle. And yes, we're also confirming a higher high because we broke above the previous high already. And the price target, I've discussed it many times before on the channel, is laying somewhere around 150,000 US dollars. So yeah, Bitcoin has got quite an exponential way to go towards the upside. And honestly, I do really think that indeed, whatever Trump is right now doing with this coin here could be very good on the imminent short term here, but eventually such things could also really bring the wrong people into the market, and that could really be the topping signal for the entire market, of course, here. So whenever I do see enough signals providing us that Bitcoin is likely going to be topping out, you will be the first one to know on the channel. So don't forget to subscribe right now here, because I will be always, of course, stay completely transparent. And yesterday again, we're seeing very, very big inflows coming in on not only Bitcoin, but also the Ethereum spot ETF here. BlackRock buying over 375 million US dollars again here, and basically totaling once again almost $1 billion worth of inflows. And now that means that we're sitting once again at a new all-time high here in terms of cumulative flows here. So ultimately, that is something very bullish to be seeing right now here. And also, if I'm going to be looking at the weekly time frame, we are right now at the beginning point of that next wave towards the upside. I mean, this also exactly happened last time around in the beginning of February, end of January. So actually, it really does make a lot of sense here. And probably February is going to be a very strong month here. And March, at least if we're going to be looking back at the previous timing, is going to be that point of the consolidation once again here. So looking forward towards what is exactly going to be happening over there. But I've discussed it many times before here that I do really think that we are going to be having that next leg towards the upside happening any moment right now here. And really, if we're going to be looking at that bull flag pattern we created before here, which we are ultimately breaking outside of, we have a price target of $172,000, which is of course quite insane if you would ask me here. So Bitcoin, guys, if you want to be trading this, there's currently an insane deposit bonus running here on Blofin. You can right now get a $100,000 deposit bonus if you sign up an account using that link below, guys. But first of all, before signing up an account, I want you to check if it's available in your region. But if it is, make sure to check it out in the link description of today. You can trade Bitcoin and all the other altcoins you can just possibly think of. Also the new Trump coin. So if you're interested in that, check it out in the link description of today's video. Further on, we can currently see here that, of course, last time around we saw that Trump, of course, won on the election. The market went up here, but really when the market went super exponential is whenever he went into office. And that is, of course, happening right now. So very excited for that here. Then if we're going to be looking at this consolidation phase compared to 2024, it just looks so similar towards each other. And also whenever we are going to be breaking above the previous high, I do believe we're going to be having quite a big jump higher. So very excited for all the things that are currently happening in the market right now here. And of course, the main talking point is, of course, Trump going into office. But we are seeing a lot of new wheels entering the market right now here. So yeah, looking forward towards how this is going to be playing out here. Also a thing for the people that are loving to trade altcoins. I do think that the better times are probably going to come here. We are right now breaking below this very important level here on the USDT dominance. And the last time, of course, we did broke above the USDT dominance. Bitcoin had an exponential rally higher. And now we're starting to see that breakdown once again happening on the USDT dominance. And that ultimately is going to be probably provide major gains for altcoins. And just like I stated earlier, I really think that this official Trump coin, which he has released, is ultimately going to be being super bullish for altcoins, because this is going to attract more liquidity in towards the altcoin market. And that is ultimately going to be sending the Bitcoin dominance lower. So Bitcoin dominance still sitting high. The opportunity still is presenting to us that altcoins are likely going to be exploding next year. So I'm looking forward towards it. All the charts and data points are providing the same insights. So guys, this was it for me on today's update video. Once again, if you did enjoy it, learn something from it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.